Probably can't to read this question. You're skidding on your bicycle. So you've got the tires on the bike and you skid to a stop, and a certain portion of the rubber gets heated up by friction. And we know the coefficient of friction. So what's the question is how much thermal energy? Ultimately, this is really just still going to be work is force times distance. You're not going to have to use, well, actually, that's the equation that we had it was F, frictional force, delta X. Delta X is 44, or watch that, that's going to be 0.44 meters. And then the frictional force, of course, is mu times the normal force. You know the mass of the dude on the bike somewhere. Suppose this person skids. Yeah, so you'll say he weighs 70. There it is. So you'd say this equals mu times the normal force will be mg and then delta x. Now, warning on this one, I think you're going to get the answer is actually going to get double the answer because the question asks how much thermal energy is deposited in the tire and the road surface. So it's going to, some of the energy is going to be transferred to the tire and some to the road. And you can assume that since they're touching each other, that it's only half. So the answer you're going to get when you do this is you're going to divide this by 2 to find out how much energy goes to the road and how much energy goes to the tire. A little tricky.